Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll see how to make fish buns. Let's get started. First I am going to activate the yeast. I am using 1½ teaspoon of yeast, then added 2 teaspoons of sugar and 135 milliliters of warm milk. Mix them well and keep it close for 10 minutes to activate the yeast. Then I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 medium egg. Next add 300 grams of all-purpose flour and mix them well. Now it's time for the kneading. First I am adding 40 grams of butter. Then knead the mixture for 8 to 10 minutes. Make sure you knead them well continuously until dough becomes smoother. At this moment I would like to know from which city or country you are joining with me, so I can personally thank you for watching my videos. Then add some oil to the bowl and keep it closed until dough size become double. Approximately you have to keep it closed for 1 hour. Now take out the dough and then flatter it by using the hands. Then divide it to equal pieces and make round shape balls. If you still watching the video and if you like my recipe, comment below, as I like this. Don't forget to like and share the video, that will help me greatly. Then flatter the pieces using the roller. Flatter the pieces to get medium thickness. Now add the filling to the dough. Here I am using tuna curry, and you can use any kind of curry as per your taste. Next fold the dough, as you can see in the video, to get the triangular shape and keep in the tray. Now keep it closed for 20 minutes. Then I am adding 2 tablespoons of milk to the egg yolk and mix them well. Apply this mixture on top of the bun to get nice brown color. Now preheat your oven for 5 minutes in 180 Celsius, then you can transfer them to oven. Bake the buns for 15 to 20 minutes in 180 Celsius. See how beautiful these fish buns are. Now you can taste this with your family and friends. Try making this recipe at home and share your experience with me. Thank you for watching the recipe till the end. See you in the next video. Thank you.